Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Depop shop policies template or how to make a template yourself. So there's not much templates that you can find actually on the Depop application itself, but you can find a lot of templates out on the internet. However, I made a small little template or a small little skeleton that you can potentially take inspiration from. So for example, here's some policies right over here in my notes. So Depop shop policies, US shipping only until you can afford international shipping. Then we can also make shipping prices range from $5 to $10, and you should be willing to reasonably negotiate on the shipping price, whether they buy more products, right? Also, willing to be reasonably negotiated on all prices. Make sure that you don't have unreasonable prices. All clothings should be thoroughly cleaned before they are shipped. So make sure that is also mentioned on your Depop policies. Also, all other items are properly sanitized before they are shipped. And also about bundling, you can write, please message me about bundling items, and then no swaps, trades, and holds. You can also put a refund policy if you want to. So, for example, 7 days refund policy. And then if it exceeds that, but item is damaged, then partial refund and so on. So, I hope this video gives you a little bit more clarity than you had. So, I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.